vehicle? Check out the 2020 F-550 Super Duty. The Ford Super Duty F-550 is a real work truck built with Ford tradition for reliability, safety, and comfort. This heavy-duty work truck is ready to tackle the most demanding jobs. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, traction control, four-wheel disc brakes, dual rear wheels, trip computer, power steering, tachometer, overhead console, passenger vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.